How's it everyone? Sharp sharp. Right, so this was the package from Wuben, and in the package we got the G5, which by the time you've seen this I would have carried it quite a bit and been able to give you my thoughts and all that on it. But in this box we've got another torch from him, and I'm quite excited about this one. This is the X4. It's got 1500 max output lumens, 205 max beam distance in meters, 205 meters, 720 max side light, run time hours. So that's obviously this light on the side. Their packaging I kind of like quite a bit. These were sent to me from Wuben to have a look at, which I'm very grateful for. There, if you want, you can look at all the specs. I can bring it in so you can get a bit more light on that for you. You can pause it and look at that. Yeah, there's quite a bit of info on there. But yeah, we're chatting this Wuben. My X2 that I put the laser through, unfortunately they don't have a replacement replacement lens, the glass section. So instead of a replacement lens, they sent me the X4 to look at, which I feel quite chuffed about, if you want to put it that way. Very excited, as this torch hasn't been released yet, but when you're watching this video it will have. So I feel very excited. I'm just trying to think of a word to use for it. I want to say giddy, but that's, yeah, I'm just really giddy. So enough of my waffling. Let's open this box and have a look. Their packaging's always quite interesting. They really package things well. Like that's sturdy cardboard. It's going to be, your light's very protected, I've noticed. Okay, so there's the da-di-da blah blah manual. Got a box with the cable and a lanyard. Should we have a look at this? I'm just going to cut this box open. Oh no, wait, there, we get it from the side. Let's have a look in here. Okay, so the same setup as what you got with the G5. USB charging cable. Although I have noticed something. This cable is different to this cable on the G5. Obviously the G5, they don't need such a thick cable, but this one here has also got Wuben logos on, and this one doesn't. Not that that's going to make a difference, but this is a thicker cable, so obviously it's going to have better charging. Right, let's have a look here. Now this isn't going to be the full review. This is just a first look at the torch. I do want to use them for a bit, learn them with the da-di-da-da-da book. That's nice. I like that color. It's got the same locking mechanism I see. Also USB. Okay. I like this color. It's like a gunmetal grey. There's this next to the black. I like this color. Right, so please remove the battery installation sheet before using it. Yeah, that might be a good idea. Is that the battery? Don't see how that will be the battery. Sheet, protection sheet, whatever they want to call it, installation sheet, sheet, before use. So I'm taking it that is in here somewhere. Well, that's his. Okay, that's locked. Unlock. Hey! And there's the battery protection sheet. That's quite cool. Battery. Okay, so we've got a Wuben battery, rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack. So it's 3,350 milliamps, 3.65 volts. I'll have a look inside here. That's cool how they do all of this. Right, let's actually have a look at the torch. Getting distracted. Okay, so there's lock. First click. What do we get? What do we get? Way, a red light. Okay. Ah. Can change red. Hope I'm not blinding the camera with this. No, I'm not. Blue, green, yellow, red. Okay. So that's on the first one. I am going to go through the book and learn all the different things. Okay, I'm guessing that's torch. That's right. If we scroll through it, okay, I'm on dimmest. Oh, hello. That's bright. Hope that isn't. That was bright. Okay. Then the last one. Well, there's a USB charger. Ah, we've got a button on the back. Okay, so hello. Nice. On turbo. So you hold it. Into turbo. Wonder if you can double click. Oh yeah, okay. So strobe. 1, 2, 3. Nothing. Okay, so it's hold for turbo, double click for strobe. Okay. If we go here, you double click for turbo. Yes, you can. Wow, that's bright. Side light. Okay, double click. What does that do? No, it gives you a flashing blue light. You play. No. Okay. I wonder if it will. Yes, okay, so it will. You can change your color, and then you double click, and then it starts flashing that color. Okay. Let's switch on. Ah, but wait, there's more. Oh, that's fairly bright. That's very bright. Okay, so that's on the scroll. Sorry, I'm just learning as we go along here. I'll read the da-da-da-da book later. I want to just straight off the bat user friendly these are. If we double click there on that, nothing. Okay, hold in. You can choose between your different modes. Okay, that's interesting. So now I wonder, that was a double click and I got that. Okay, I'm going to carry this torch and use it and abuse it. Okay, I see it's got a magnet on the back here as well on this one. I really like. Okay, the X2 didn't have a magnet on the back, but it's so nice to see them sticking with a universal charger. And I don't think metal filings are going to interfere here with your actions with this, like on other lights that I normally carry every day. So I'll let you know how this goes and how I feel about it. I will carry it every day. There is a link in the description. If you use my code for them, I earn 10%, and that money goes back into the channel by, obviously when I earn enough, I can use it to buy torches to use for giveaways. So thanks for watching. Keep well, keep safe, shop. So like,
subscribe,
leave a comment, and thanks for watching.